things say comfort, like a German Kartoffelsuppe, potato soup that is thick, creamy and full of flavor. Today I've got for you not one, but 3 versions of the German potato soup: vegan, vegetarian and classic. The first step is prep, and that involves washing, peeling and cutting root vegetables as well as onions. For extra flavor I use butter for frying. And by the way, if you're going for the vegan variation, replace the butter with vegetable oil. I start with onions and I fry them until they smell incredible. Before adding water or vegetable broth, all veggies need to be fried at least on a medium-high heat. Using medium-high heat allows the vegetables to brown, and that's very important for the flavor, especially when you are making your potato soup vegan. And those roasted bits at the bottom, that's pure flavor. As soon as the veggies are nice and brown, add the water or vegetable broth, cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check if all of the vegetables are tender. If they are, you can start with a seasoning. We are not going crazy with the spices, we're adding pepper, salt and some nutmeg. And at this point, the first version of the German potato soup, the vegan one, is ready. Look at this color of the broth. To make the soup even creamier, vegetarians can add cream. Cream adds a lot of flavor to the soup and makes it taste even better. And if you are eating meat, there is even more flavor to add. The meat version of the soup contains bacon cubes that can be fried with the onions at the beginning. Also, Frankfurter sausage is a great addition to the soup. You can cook it separately or directly in a soup. You need to then slice it and serve on top. Comment below which of those potato soups you will try and give me a like if you enjoyed this video so far. As for variations, if you want the soup a little bit more creamy, you can blend the soup few times before adding the sausage, or you can thicken the soup with a mondamin or starch. There are different potato soup variations in Germany. In northern Germany, for example, they like adding pear slices to the potato soup or cooking it surf and turf with a bacon and brown shrimp. Saxonian potato soup is topped with a fried sausage slices. Some potato soups from Baden, Swabia and Pfalz are served with something sweet on the side, like apple pancakes or plum or apple cake. I'm not joking. If you love potato dishes like this one, I've got plenty of other videos for you to watch. And don't forget to check descriptions. There are more soups that include potatoes linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye! I haven't said that for a while.